Hello everyone, welcome to week 16 of our distance learning. You will find your assignments in your materials. This week you have two videos to watch. The first video is just going over the parent function, the cosine graph, and then the second video goes over graphing sine and cosine, so you'll find some things helpful that might help you with last week's IXL skills. And once you watch the video, you'll know why it says okay as part of the title. So your two assignments for this week are IXL N6 and N9 with a goal of 80. Remember that IXL is a little tricky with the way that it expects you to graph. So I only gave you guys one graphing skill. Only N9 is on graphing. N6 is just on the properties of cosine. So after you watch the video and you'll realize that cosine does not start at 0 the way sine did. Cosine starts at 1. So one full cosine has the same period as sine. One full cosine ends at 2 pi. So by looking at this graph, I see that one period is complete by 2 pi. And then that's it. So it'll ask you for the amplitude. If you need to look back at the video from last week, 2 weeks ago actually, from Khan Academy, that goes over the amplitude. So you have to figure out where the midline is. This is the middle here. So this is the middle, then the amplitude is the height of one of the waves. So our amplitude appears to be half. So it's very similar to sine. It's just cosine starts at 1 instead of starting at 0. So you have N6 to do, and then you have N9 to do. And that's it. Remember that grades are due next week, so please catch up on your late assignments and be sure to enter your missing assignments on the late work log found in your materials. And may the 4th be with you. Goodbye.